Did you know cleanliness can significantly impact a property's appeal? It's true. A clean home not only looks good, but also evokes positive feelings in potential buyers. Imagine walking into a space that sparkles, free of clutter and dust. It feels inviting, right? When buyers see a clean home, they can envision themselves living there, which is half the battle in sealing the deal. That's where TidyTex home cleaning comes in. As a proud veteran-owned business based in San Antonio, we specialize in transforming homes with our professional cleaning services. Whether you're preparing a property for sale or getting ready for an open house, our reliable team is here to help. We understand the importance of a quick turnaround, ensuring your home shines just in time for those critical showing moments. Here's a quick tidy tip for realtors. Want to enhance a listing at no cost? Open all the blinds and turn on the lights before a showing. A well-lit space highlights the best features and creates a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Ready to elevate your property appeal? Check the video description for more details and contact us today.